SQL Server course. SQL Server is a relational database management system or RDBMS developed by Microsoft. SQL stands for Structured Query Language and it is also called SQL. In SQL course, we will cover all these topics. Let's see the subtopics of these topics. Working with database and tables. In this section, we will learn how to create and delete database, how to create and delete table, and how to update structure of a table using alter statement. Modifying data. In this section, we will learn how to insert single and multiple rows and how to update and delete records and use of truncate statement. Constraints. Constraints is used to define rules for columns. So for that, we will use default, check, not null constraint, unique, primary key constraint, and foreign key constraint. Querying data. So when you want to fetch records from tables, for that we will use literal select statement, basic select statement, and how to use stop keyword to fetch few number of records. Filtering data. In this section, we will learn how to use distinct keyword and how to use where clause to filter records and how to use wildcard with filter clause and how to apply multiple predicates like and or in between like operators with where clause. And we also learn how to check null values while fetching records. Sorting data. In this section, we will learn to sort records using order by clause. Function and expression. We will learn some of the inbuilt functions like min, max, count, average, and sum function, and we will learn how to use case statement with select statement. Joinings. To join multiple tables and fetch record using single query. For that, we will learn join, inner join, left join, right join, full outer join, cross join, and self join. Grouping data. In this section, we will learn how to group records using group by clause and how to apply filter on grouped record using having section. Subquery. If you want to write nested query, for that we use subquery and we will use exist, all, and any keyword with subquery. Set operation. In this section, we will learn the use of union, intersect, except keyword to fetch records from multiple statements and return data in a single result set. Stored procedure. In this section, we will learn how to create stored procedure to improve performance of your statements and the uses of if else inside stored procedure. So these topics we will cover in SQL course, and for practicing query we will use Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio tool. Thank you.